Hi, I'm Ben Jones, founder of DataLiteracy.com. I'd like you to meet Becky and her dog Winston. These days, Becky can feel more than a little bewildered from time to time. It's just that she's inundated with data. Data about her own life, like her health and fitness, and data about her professional life and career, like the quarterly sales report or her department's latest performance figures. The thing is, her formal education didn't really prepare her for a world that would require her to work with data to this degree, and she feels like she's falling behind. She can't afford to go back to university to close the gap. She doesn't have time to patch together a bunch of videos to figure it out for herself, and those software vendors, they only seem to want to teach her how to use their own tools. That's when she discovered data literacy training and certification. The data literacy program connected her with a helpful and passionate instructor who walked her and her fellow trainees through a useful process that she could use with many different tools and in many different situations. She learned how to pose appropriate questions, how to find and gather relevant data sets, how to clean and prepare them for analysis, how to dive in to explore and discover important insights in her data, and how to more effectively share those insights with her coworkers, leading to even better questions. Now that she feels she has a better handle on data, she's a more confident and active participant in data discussions at work. And she's on top of her own personal data in exciting ways too. Isn't it time that you invested in your own data skills and abilities too? Data literacy. Learn the language of data.